YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday night. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We have another Caynel unboxing to do from Amazon Prime. Check them out. Link is going to be down below where you could get one of these slow masticating juicer. 3-inch big mouth. Oh boy. She's a big one. We got these on the side. High efficiency. I'm just waiting on my ship it to get some juice, so I'm going to do the unboxing right now and then try to set it up for you guys and then do a little demo at the end. There won't be no ads on the video, so grab some popcorn, grab some fruits, and let's see what this thing is about. Here we go. Comes a cut. Go. And also see what other goodies they have to offer, from the skillets to the fryers. We'll definitely check them out. Alright, so we got this. We got the manual. And also they send a $5 coupon. Just take a picture of that and send them an email, and they'll give you a promo code to get $5 off. Really cool. And now we got this thing right here. Looks like the motor. We got a bag. Here we go. Pretty cool. And here we go. We got everything in there nice and sealed tight. Really cool. I'll be right back. I'm going to pull them out and set it. Alrighty, YouTubers, I figured it out. Really easy to set up. We got these two. They said put it over there like that. And let's see if I can get it one shot. Like I said, it's simple to do. And all you gotta do is, oops, bada boom. Stick this first. This one in the motor. Right. You know, it's like, oh no. This first. You stick in the motor, or the those things. Let's see. Then the motor comes in, just lock it in place once it goes in. So it should look like kind of like this once you get it set up. So the filter or the grinder or sifter, whatever it's called, that's like that. That's on top. And you put it in the middle. Shake it all about. There we go. Should lock in place. That should be good. Okay. Then you get this little guy. I think goes, yep, this way. Here we go. Kind of looks like that. Really nice. So like I said, I'm still waiting on my groceries to get here from Ship It. You guys could take a look at Ship It also. That link is going to be down below. Save $10 off your groceries, getting it delivered. Always a good bonus. And then, like I said, you could get one of these at a low cost from Caynel. And there's on and off, on reverse. But give me a few minutes, I'll be right back. And then once you get the fruits, that goes in there. So there you go. There it comes with that. And I'll be back. See ya. Here we go, YouTubers. We got the juicer all hooked up. This is the Ugger. I thought it was the motor, but it's called the Ugger. So we got the fruit chopped up. Got it plugged in just about right about now. There we go. that. And then the other one with the 2 silver things, that is the pulp containers right here. And then there's that. Okay, so that's not too loud. Alright, let's try it out. We got the juice, we got the pulp. Here we go, one by one. Do a little drop. And where's that one thing at? Uh-oh. There we go. Hey, that's quick. We got time for this. Whoa. Wait a few minutes. Chop it down. Make some apple cider. Since we got Halloween coming up. This is really cool. Like I said, you can do a lot of things with these juicers, but I want to do some apples today. See, there's a little right there. Oh, jeez. Man down. We gotta escape. I think it should, yep, see. Oh, yes. Look at that. Straight up apple juice, baby. This is a good thing, guys. It works amazing. And just a few more to go. I'll be done. Oops. Boom. Boom. And boom. So one apple gave me that much juice. And that much of that. Maybe make some applesauce, apple pies. Drink some apple cider. Heck yeah. Look at that thing though. Really nice to have. So thank you guys at Caynel on Amazon. Check them out. Links are going to be down below. And this is the little bottle for your like pre-workout. You can take your apple juice or whatever you make in the morning with you on the road. Like celery mixes and all that good stuff. So really cool though. Came out nice. Got the clumps right there. Yeah, buddy. They got the juicer. Squeezing the juice. It came out juicy. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good weekend. Be safe, and I'll see you guys soon. Oh, comes with a brush also. Cleans it out. Easy to clean. Just don't hurt yourself. Be safe. Have a good one. See ya.